Hello everyone, welcome to Exam A to Z. This is Umamaheshwar. Now, this TIER-1 series we are discussing the 5th March second shift. This 2019 TIER-1 questions, and this shift is moderate, not that tough and not that easy. A bit calculative you have. So, let's begin with the questions. X square minus 30x plus 1 is equals to 0. Then, what is the value of 25x square plus 1 by 16x square? So, he is asking you. First, try to get 1 by 5x plus 1 by 4x. So just divide it by 4x. So you will get 5x, 15 by 2 plus 1 by 4x is equals to 0. Then 5x plus 1 by 4x is equals to 15 by 2. Do square it, you will get what you want. So 225 by 4 minus 2 into 5 into 1 by 4. So 225 minus 10 by 4, which is 215 by 4, 53, 3 by 4 is the answer there. Look at the next question. In triangle PQR, PQ is equals to 24 and Q is equals to 58. S and T are the points on PQ and PR. So I am drawing a triangle PQR here. PQR. S and T are the points on PQ and PR such that STR is 122. If STR is 122, angle T is 58. So here is Q is also 58. So you can clearly say PQR is similarly PTS is similar to PTS. So he said PS is 14. This is 14. And he already said PQ is 24, therefore it is 10. PT is 12. If 12 becomes 24, then 14 has to become 28. So this whole thing, PR becomes 28, then RT is equals to 28 minus 12, that's 16 centimeter. So just you need to follow the similarity. Now look at the next one. X to the power of 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power of 4 is equals to 273. They have given x square minus xy plus y square is equals to 13. Do x square plus xy plus y square is equals to, this is 13 into 21, therefore it is 21. Do minus, then you will get minus 2xy is equals to, then do minus, you will get 8 over here, then minus 8. Xy is equals to 4. That's a simple one. Now, this one again, the value of this expression, you have to follow the BODMAS rule. First, give priority to half, then after division. So give priority to half, then after division. We know this becomes 1 by 8 into 4, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 becomes 1. Keep it aside. Now solve within this. This is 15 by 8 divided by 4 by 3 into 3 by 16, that is 1 by 4. So divided becomes into, it becomes 4. Therefore it becomes 15 by 2. So 3 by 5 into 15 by 2 becomes 9 by 2. So this whole thing becomes 9 by 2 minus, now within the bracket you try to find it out. So this is 9 by 2, 16 by 3, 3 is a 24 it becomes. So you have 16 by 5 into 1 by 24, again into 5 by 2 you have 5 5 cancel, 8 2 is a 8 3 is a 2 2 cancel, 1 by 3 you got. So you have 9 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1, 9 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 gives you plus 2 by 3. So denominator becomes 6, 27 plus 4, 31. So I can say 5, 1 by 6 is your answer there. So we are just following the BODMAS, but you have to calculate it carefully. Next, to take a certain task, x is 40% more efficient than y and z is 40% less efficient than y. So take x y, z. Assume that the efficiency of y is 100, then x is 140, z is 60. Find their ratio. The ratio becomes, it becomes 7, then 5, then 3. 23s are, 25s are, 27s are. So he says working together they can complete the task in 21 days. So working together their efficiency is 15. So 15 into they can do it in 21 days is equals to y and z together worked for 35 days. Y and z their efficiency is 8 and they worked for 35 days. The remaining work will be completed by A in. A efficiency is x, let it be x days. Cancel it in 7 table. So I can say 7 3s are, 7 5s are, 7 1s are. Therefore 45 is equals to 40 plus x. X is equals to 5 days. Now look at this. X square into x minus 4 whole square. So write it as x square x minus 4 whole square by x square plus 4 square. You will get 8x minus 4x is plus 4x into x plus 4 whole square by x cube common, it will be x cube, again x minus 4 whole cube into, I can write it as 4 minus x and or else you can take it as minus minus common, so that this becomes x minus 4 x square plus 4 square plus 4x by x plus 4 into x minus 4. Now cancel all the things that you can cancel it off. You can cancel x minus 4 whole square, x minus 4, x minus 4, x minus 4, x square plus x 4x, and you can cancel this. You have 1 x plus 4 get cancelled, x square and x cube only 1 x will be left out. So in the numerator overall you are getting x plus 4. In the denominator you are left with x into x minus 4. That's simple, just expand it and cancel it. Next, the marked price of an item is 25% above its cost price and shopkeeper sells it to allowing a discount of x% on the marked price. If he incurs a loss of 8%, then the value of x. Assume that the cost price of an article is 100. You are selling it for 125. You are marking it up to 25% extra, so that is 125. You are selling it for 8% loss, which means you are selling it for 92. So 25 plus 8 is 33 upon 125. See the percentage of discount that you have allowed. It's 4s, 5s, do into 2 by 2, so that 33 into 8 by 10, 4s, 24 plus 2, 26. So 26.4% discount you are getting here. Next one, A and B spend 60% and 75% of their income respectively. If the saving of A are 20% more than that B, then what percentage is the income of A is less than that of B? So he's asking you A with compared to B. So better you assume B as 100, that is income. So that whatever the value of A you get it, you can easily find it out. Now that is income. Now expenditure, A and B spends 60 and 75. Expenditure of B is 75. Therefore the saving of B is 25. If the savings of A are 20% more than that of B, 20% more, which means 1/5 more, so that is 30. Therefore the expenditure, A spends 60%, which means A saves 40%. If 40% is 30, 60% is 45, which means the income of A is 45 plus 30, that is 75. Therefore now see, A's income is how much less than B's income? So that is 25% less. So here it's a values, not the percentages. So this is 40% means this is 60%. Therefore 100% becomes 75. This 75 is how much less than 100 we have to see, and the 75 is 25 less than 100. We have 5 cos theta is equals to 12 sin theta. So I can get sin theta by cos theta. that is tan theta is 5 by 12. So 5 by 12, therefore it is 13. Sin theta becomes 5 by 13. Cos theta becomes 12 by 13. 1 minus 5 by 13 plus 12 by 13. So this becomes 5 plus 12 plus 13. This becomes 13 minus 5 plus 12. 25 minus 5, 20. So you have 25 plus 5, 30. 30 by 20. The ratio is 3 by 2. That's 3 is 2. 2 is your answer here. Now you have 11 sin square theta minus cos square theta plus 4 sin theta minus 4 is equals to 0. Assume that the sin theta is equals to x. Then it's going to become 11x square minus 1 plus x square, because 1 minus x square minus off, plus 4x minus 4 is equals to 0. So 12x square plus 4x minus 5 is equals to 0. 12 5 is 60, so I can write it as 10 and 6. So 12x square minus 6x plus 10x minus 5 is equals to 0. From clearly you can see 2x minus 1 is equals to 0, which means x is equals to 1 by 2, which means again theta is equals to 30 degrees. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Secant 60 is 2. 60 tan 60 is root 3. Therefore you can say 2 plus root 3 by 2 root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Multiply it with 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3. Then it becomes 2 plus root 3 whole square is 7 plus 4 root 3. By simply you have 2 root 3. Multiply it with root 3 and root 3, because rationalize the denominator. It becomes 7 root 3 plus 12 by 6. That's your answer there. So 12 plus 7 root 3 by 6. Now you have average of some numbers is 54.6. If 75% of the numbers is increased by 5 by 6, 5.6, 75% means let it be 75, increases by 5.6, and the rest 25% decreases by 8.4. Cancel it first. You are adding them in 1:3:1 ratio. See the result. I can say 3 into 5.6 minus 8.4 by 4. I can just common 2.8 or 28. If you common 2.8, it will be 3 2s are 6. This will be 3s are by 4. So anyway, I'll get 0.7. 0.7 into 3 is 2.1. That is plus 2.1. The effect is 2.1 more than the virginal average, that is 54.6 plus 2.1, that is 56.7 is your answer there. Now a boat can go 3.6 kilometers upstream and 5.4 kilometers downstream in 54 minutes. So I'll take it as 3.6 kilometers upstream, 5.4 kilometers downstream in 54 minutes, while it can go 5.4 kilometers upstream and 3.6 kilometers downstream in 58 1 by 2, which is 117 by 2. So you can do by 60 by 60 here. Do it 3 by 2 into do 3 by 2 so that it becomes 5 by 4, because I need to find out downstream speed. Do minus minus minus. So this becomes 5.4, this becomes 8.1, this becomes 81. So now this gets cancelled. Now 81 minus 3.6, that becomes 4.5 by D. 81 162 minus 117, that is 45 again by 120. So here 4.5 ones are 4.5 tens are, D is equals to 12 km per hour. So in order to travel 10 kilometers, 10 by 12 you do it, but into 60 we have to do, because I need to convert it into minutes. 12 ones are 12 fives are, therefore it takes 50 minutes to go 10 kilometers downstream. Then the next one. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral with the sides AB and BC are produced to meet at P, and DC and AB are meet. So first draw it like this. Here you are producing two sides, another two sides you are producing like this. Now this is your cyclic quadrilateral. So A, B, C, D. You are producing AD and BC at P and DC and AB at Q, and is giving you angle A is 60, ABC is 72. So here is 72. He is asking you the difference between DPC and BCQ. So BCQ, BQC. So for both of them, this is the common point. 72 means the remaining is simply 108. The difference between these two will be equal to the difference between these two. Try to understand, because these two also you get it by using this 2 only. So the difference between 108 and 72 will be same as the difference between angle P and angle Q. That is simply 36. A and B together borrowed a sum of 51,750 at an interest rate of 7% per annum compound interest in such a way to settle the loan. A paid as much as amount after 3 years as B paid in 4 years. The amount after 3 years of A took A, let it be. After 3 years it becomes 107 by 100 whole cube. B took B, it becomes 107 by 100 whole to the power of 4. Therefore, I can get A by B is equals to simply 107 by 100. In this ratio, they are sharing. You want A share will be 107 by 207 into. So you got 51750. It will be definitely cancelled in 207. So you can say 207 into 25. Because 207 into 20, it will be something around 4000. It is ending with 5. So I checked with 25. So you can also check it with 25, or else you can take it 5175 can be written as 5200 minus 25. 25 you common, you'll get 208 minus 1 207. So therefore it goes in 25. 25 sevens are 175, 5 17, again 7, then again 1. 25 ones are 25, 25 plus 1 26. Multiply it with 25, you get 16750 as it is anyway. So the answer is 26750. Now you get the radius of a right circular cylinder is decreased by 10 and the height is increased by 20. Volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Radius is 2 times, h is 1 time. Height is 1 time. So radius is decreased by 10% followed by 10%. Height is increased by 20. This we can say 19% decrease. And again 20% increase. We know minus 19 plus 20 minus 380 by 100 is 3.8. So you got plus 1, so minus 2.8. So it will be decreased by 2.8 percentage. The formula that I am using, x percent decrease followed by y percent increase, is minus x plus y minus xy by 100. And this is for successive increase and decrease, you can use it. Diameter AB of a circle with the center O is produced to a point P such that PO is 16.8. First diameter AB P, so O. This is AB. PO is 16.8. PQR is a secant. So PQR is a secant intersecting at Q and R. PQ is 12 and PR is 19.2. We know the formula. 12 into 19.2 is equals to PB, that is 16.8 minus R, into PA, that is 16.8 plus R. So I am getting 16.8 whole square minus R square is equals to 12 into 119.2. So clearly I can say R square is equals to 16.8 into 16.8 minus 12 into 19.2. You take common of 12 into 12, you will be getting 1.4, 1.4. This if you cancel 12 ones are 12, 1.6 are. Therefore, you can take in common of 12 into 12. 1.4 into 1.4 is 1.96 minus 1.6. So R is equals to under root of 12 square into 0.36. So you get 12. 0.36 is 0.6, which is 7.2. If radius is 7.2, AB is the diameter, that is 14.4. So that's your answer there. Next, he's asking you what is the value of secant 78 plus theta minus cosecant 78 plus theta minus secant 12 minus theta. These two are same. tan 67 plus theta cot 23 minus theta. These two are same. Therefore, cancel it, cancel it. You'll be left with 0 in the numerator. Denominator, we don't care. So, 0 by anything is equals to, and anyway this is 1. So, this is 0 only. Now, the positive integer is divided by the remainder is 15. Then 10 times of the same number is divided by the remainder is 6. The least possible value of d. If it is leaving remainder 15 means d cannot be less than 15, b should be more than 15, so these two cannot be accepted. Now only these two you have. In that, let's see if 16 is the answer or not, otherwise you can go for 18. So if a number is become 10 times, then the remainder also becomes 10 times, that is 150, but you are dividing it by d so that it gives you 6. Now let's see whether 16 when you divide it by 16 it can give you remainder 6 or not. Yes, 150 when divided by 16 gives you remainder 6. 18 also satisfies, but unfortunately he is asking you the least possible value of d. So that is obviously 16. In triangle ABC, B is equals to 90 degrees if D and E are on the sides BC such that BD is equals to DE is equals to EC, then which of the following is true? Now see, in order to prove this it takes a lot of time. So definitely the best way is to substitute. Take any right angle triangle that you know, and the most commonly used triplet is 4, 3, 4, 5. Let this be A, B, C. BC is divided into 3 parts. So take it as 1, 1, 1. So that is D, E. So 1, 1, 1. I can say AD square becomes 17. AE square becomes 4 square plus 2 square, that is 20. Now anyway we know AC square is 25. Now this is AD square, this is AE square, and this is AC square. Substitute in the first one. 5 into 20 is 100. Therefore 2 into 25 50, 3 into 17 51. It is not. 8 into A square 160, 5 into 25 125, 3 into 17 51. No, it will not be. 8 into A square is 160, 3 into AC square 75 plus 5 into 17 85. Therefore, this accurately proves the result. So we don't need to prove it in the exam. All you have to do is just verify it with the values. That will be enough. Otherwise, you will not be going to solve this in the proper time. Rima sold 48 articles for 2160 and suffered a loss of 10%. For these kind of sums, you just need to find out the selling price of one article. That is 90% of the cost price is equals to 2160 by each article is 48. How many articles should he sell for 2016 to earn a profit of 12%? So 112 is 2016. How many articles? Let it be X. So 90 by 112 is equals to 2160 into X by 48 into 2016. Now just try to cancel it. 0 0 cancel. This is 24. 24 ones are 24 twos are 2 ones are 256 are. Now X is equals to 2016 by 56. 56 36 are 2016. So answer is 36. What X is added to each of 10, 16, 22, 32, so that the number obtained in this are in proportion. So I can simply say proportion means 10 plus X by 16 plus X is equals to 22X, 22 plus X by 32 plus X. So if you cross multiply, it will take more time for you to find it out. Then do 1 minus, then do 1 minus. So you will get 6 by 16 plus X is equals to 10 by 32 plus X. Now it became very easy. So simply cancel it. 3 1 3s are 5s are. So 96 plus X is equals to 80 plus 5X. Therefore 2X is equals to 16. X is equals to 8. So substitute in this, you want mean proportion, that is 9 into 25. 3 into 5, the answer is 15 here. Now the given table represents the sale of cards by 4 companies ABCD in 6 years. Study the table and answer the question that follows. What is the ratio of the total number of cards sold by the companies A, B, D in 2017 to the total number of cards sold by all 4 companies in 2008? ABD in 2017, ABD in 2017 is, so this I can say 105 and 180. Total number of cars sold by companies, all 4 companies in 2008. So 2008, all 4 companies. You can say 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 4 is 20. Keep it aside. Then you have 120, 140. That is 260 plus 20. That is 280. 0, 0 cancel. Cancel it in 2 table. 9 is to 14. Now is asking you the total number of cars sold by company B during 2015, 17, 18. B during 15, 17 and 18. So you have 6. This one is 120 plus 60, 180. Is what percent less than the total number of cars sold by the company C in 2013, 15, 17 and 18. C in 13, 15, 17 and 18. So you got 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 9, 20, keep it aside. 60, 60, 60, 180, 180 plus 70 is 250. So plus 20, 270. So how much less it is? So it is 90 less upon 270. That is exactly 1/3. 1/3 means 33 1/3% less. The total number of cars sold by company C in 2018. C in 2018 is 76. Exceeds the average number of cars sold by A during 2014 to 2018. So average you need to find out. Let the average be 60. Then you got 52 means minus 8 plus 1 plus 12 minus 8 again plus 3. So I can say 13 plus 3 16 minus 16. So mean deviation is 0 anyway. So your average is 60. So how much it exceeds? 76 minus 60 is 16,000. So it exceeds 16,000. It is 16,000 more than the average. Total number of cars sold by company A in 2017 and C in 2013. A in 2017 and C in 2013. That is 117. Is what percentage of the total number of cars sold by all 4 companies in 2013 and 16. So if you take 13 and 16, assume that it is 60. So I am taking how many 60s? 8 60s, that is 480. I am taking it. Now find out the difference, that is minus 15, then plus 3, plus 5, plus 7. Now take it in 2016. 2016 is plus 12, minus 2, plus 10, then plus 3. Now find out the deviation. 5, 10, 15 cancel. So you got minus 2, then it will be plus 1. So you got 10 here plus 13. So 23 more, which means the sum is 503. So 117 is not what percent of 503. For a second you can assume it is 500. So just multiply it by 2. 117 becomes 234 by 10, that is 23.4%. So approximately it is close to 23.4, that is 23.3 because I have taken a little extra here.